Okay, let's break down Nvidia, guys. Break down the charts, my thoughts, how we're looking today as we're pretty much starting Power Hour right now. So, guys, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're so close to 50,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys as always. And get your stocks. If you want some free stocks for Moomoo, that is, and if you want to support the channel a bit further, use that link down below. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, if you ask me, it's a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo and let's get into it. So, Nvidia stock, guys, I'm sure you've been watching it like I have, is pretty much at break even as of now when I'm making this video. Again, we're about to get into Power Hour. We're pretty much at break even, although we do have a nice setup right now. You guys see the inverse head and shoulders here on this time frame. This is the intraday. We're about to actually break out, it looks like. That's pretty good news. We'll see how it plays out here in the next hour. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you'll know by now, but Nvidia, we have the inverse head and shoulders, pretty bullish. We'll see if it breaks out into close. That'd be pretty ideal for the bulls, but overall, we're at $140 per share, and I just remembered I saw a funny meme on, I think it was on X today, I forget, either way, doesn't matter. I saw a meme, it was like, excuse me, it was like a big, what would you call that? Like a big wooden pole, I guess you can say, like a massive, like one of those things that holds up, lights outside, right? And it's pretty much like, it's all cut up. It's being held by like a twig in the middle, and in the middle it says Nvidia, and on the top half it says bull market. On the bottom half it says bear market. Essentially, Nvidia's like holding the market together right now, and if Nvidia breaks, the entire market breaks. It's a funny meme, although I don't think that's gonna happen, right? But I don't know. Did you guys see that? That was pretty funny today. I saw that. Hopefully I explained it well. But yeah, I mean, now it's at $140, pretty flat on the day, and that's after we hit all-time highs a couple of days ago. I mean, yesterday, not a couple of days ago, yesterday. We hit $153.74. And like I said, now we're down to 140, so we are down about 9% from all-time highs. But overall, guys, the chart looks really good, does it not? I mean, this looks like we're clearly holding an uptrend. Boom, you guys see higher low right there, potentially being put in right now. We put these in about a week or two ago. You see all these higher lows, right? So at this point, guys, Nvidia, technically speaking, it should bounce. It's not guaranteed, but if you're a bull, you're looking at it right here. This is a spot where ideally it bounces. But if we fall through this, that could also tell us we might be going lower, right? We might be falling through here, maybe down to like $133, $135 a share, maybe lower than that. We'll play it by ear. We'll see how it goes. Obviously, we'll do updates here on the channel, guys. But even though we're down about 9%, it's not a big deal. Even though we're down 9%, not a big deal. On the 1-hour chart, we're looking good. 4-hour chart, you guys can see this. We're still above, it looks like, both moving averages. Yeah, pretty much. And do you remember the ascending triangle we called out? We talked about, which that broke out, started to play out. We got to all-time highs yesterday. Well, guess what? Now we're testing that spot, old resistance, as support. $140 was the breakout spot that we talked about. We broke out of it, got to 153.75, all-time high, and now we're back to 140. We've now pulled down, and we're looking to see if we get buyers, here at 140. And it doesn't have to, bounce today, tomorrow, although tomorrow the stock market is closed. Keep that in mind. It doesn't have to bounce right now, right? It can consolidate a little bit. It can sit on 140 for a day or two, 3 days, maybe till next week, and then in a fresh week, we might start to get that rebound back towards 145, 150, maybe higher. That could be what plays out right here, guys. But overall, we're directionally bullish. And honestly, if you're a trader, I'm a trader and a long-term investor. If you're looking at this from a trading perspective, this could very well be a nice dip buy opportunity, right? For a nice little swing trade. But I'm going to wait for the confirmation, or at least give it another day. Stock market's closed tomorrow because of the passing of President Carter, right? So keep that in mind. And I don't like really holding too much over the weekend or through a day off in the market into Friday. Then we have another, a couple days off. So I'm gonna sit on my hands on this one. Excuse me, guys. But of course, I'll keep you updated. My Patreon's down below. Shameless plug. Just thought about it, guys. I actually post my updates there in my Patreon portfolio. So if you're interested in that, you want to see how I build out a portfolio. I actually started that from $0 to where it is now. It's grown a lot. We're doing a certain deposit every week, right? And then bulk deposits every so often. I'm showing you guys the reality of building a portfolio, right? And it's been doing pretty well. Shameless plug. That's down below, guys, if you're interested. But that's kind of it on Nvidia. Let's see if it bounces off 140, really. That's what it comes down to. And in terms of other stocks today, guys, let's see other ones that are moving. We have Tesla trying to get back over 400. So maybe that meme, with Nvidia at 140 with the pull, right? Nvidia's holding up the market. Maybe Tesla at 400. Could you make that same, meme with Tesla? I don't know. But Tesla's trying to get back over 400. It's up about 0.6, 0.5%. All right, not a big deal there. We'll see what direction it picks. This one's also in a wedge. You guys see that here on the 4-hour time frame. So keep your eyes on TSLA here, guys. CRM is also in the green. This looks decent on the chart. Not really confirming a bounce yet, which is what I'm waiting for. I have one alert at 340, but at this point, we're at 325. Might as well put another alert at 330. I'll do that right now. Mark is at or above 330. We'll see where it goes from there. But CRM, directionally bullish, a little bit oversold in the short term, down about $50 a share or about 13% from highs. Let's see if we bounce off the bottom of this channel and start making that big move back towards the mid 300s, high 300s, and we'll see where it goes from there, guys. That is CRM. And is there anything else really moving today, guys? Power Hour just started. Not much movement. Roblox, I guess, up almost 1%. Not bad for Roblox there. But this one's ran up a lot already. I mean, I'd be a little nervous buying Roblox here, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, I mean, that's, I guess, where we can wrap the video up. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Almost at 50K subs, guys. And get those stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.